Now that we have the cardboard protector off the doors, we can install the handles. But first, a little tip. You're going to have to remove the door skin film protector. Only remove just enough around the door stud for the handle. The handles are located on the right-hand side door, right on inside the door. So remove the handles. We're going to provide this Allen key. It's a little bit different than the one that originally came with the product. You have like a pivot head, and as you turn it, you don't have to take it out each time and try to locate the Allen head screw. This is just going to make it easier for you to make sure the handles are tight. As you can see, I can move this back and forth. I don't have to relocate the hole for the Allen screw. I can tighten it and make sure it's nice and snug. Another reason why we keep the plastic on the door is you don't want that tool to slip and scratch the door.